Guys, today I will show you how to register Indian Embassy of Abu Dhabi for going back to India. Search in Google register for back to India. Now you can see this first website database on Indians to travel back to India under COVID-19 situation. Now click on this. Now you can see Indian Embassy of General Consulate of India Dubai website. Now you can see this page, and here this line you can see this rule and instruction, and scroll down. Here is one form, registration form. First you read these rules and regulations, okay? Then you scroll down and see, as you can see this form, registration form. First of all, first line, place of residence. Click on this and select where are you from, Abu Dhabi or Northern Emirates Dubai. Then write your name like your passport, and then date of birth same as your passport. Then gender, select same as your passport. Then write your passport number. Then now here you select why you want to go back to India. Give here some reasons. This here very reasons, and here you can select, and then select profession. This professional, workers, tourist, visitors, students. After that, select your state in India. Where are you from? Ahmedabad, Andhra, Arunachal, Assam, Bihar, Chandigarh, Delhi, like this. Then downside, home city in India. Write here your home city in India, like you Delhi, from Chennai, from Kolkata, from Bangalore, like this. Then full address in India. Here write your full address in India. Where are you from? India. Okay. Then mobile number in UE. Write your mobile number, UE mobile number. Then downside, write your Indian mobile number. Then write your email ID. Then select your type of visa: permit, visit, business, employment, sponsor, investor, student. Then downside, select your nearest international airport in India: Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bengaluru. Which airport is too nearest to you? Select then. Then status of COVID-19. Select here. If your COVID-19 test is done, positive or negative, select anyway, and if not done, select test not done. Okay. Then remarks. Write your about yourself here. Where are you live in UE, and why you go back to India. Then verification code. Write this verification code and click on this submit button. After submit button clicking, you can see this message: thank you for registration with us. This message you can see next page. If this message not appearing, not showing, you can fill second time this form. Thank you for watching.